What up, YouTube? Your boy out here with another video. Welcome back to the Dope Death channel. Make sure if you guys haven't already to subscribe. Make sure to like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment. Definitely subscribe. But yeah, let's get into another video, guys. Perfect. Today we're gonna be working on my truck again. Obviously, you know, this ain't a dope death video of the truck ain't in it. So today what we're gonna be doing is replacing a leaf spring C-clamp. If you guys don't know what it is, it's pretty much those C-clamps that go around the leaf springs that attach to the foot kit and the axle. So on one side, two of the bolts came off. Probably got loose, vibration, too much getting sideways, if you know what I mean. They fell off, and then so I started feeling the truck when I would floor it, it would kind of shift to one side. And I was like, what the hell? So I got off and checked it, and yeah, the leaf spring or the C-clamp is completely off. It has no bolts or anything, it's just hanging there. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the tire, try to see if that clamp is still good. I did get more bolts and more. If not, we do have an extra one just in case. But yeah, let's get to it. So here's another view of what I'm talking about. See that right here? That's the clamp that's supposed to be attached like the other side. Look at that, all bad. Damn. Well, good thing I caught that on time, guys. Could have been really bad. But yeah, we're gonna lift up the truck, take off the rim, and get that clamp back in position. Got that new. Perfect. But yeah, I did end up replacing it, guys. Not because it was bent or anything, but as you can tell, the threads were fucked. So I was kind of struggling to even put the new bolt in. So I said, might as well just replace it. But yeah. Alright guys, so we're done with the tire portion. You can tell we put the tire back on already. Now, if you guys watched my last video, I told you how this broke. So, I had this bolt going through here to the other side, and it would have just screwed into here, but obviously that shit broke off. So I'm gonna try to see if I can place it in a different position, just for now, so I'll get a new one. I don't want to keep rolling with my plugs just hanging out, looking like a taquach. So we're gonna plug these back in real quick and then push it. Put it right there. Hold it good.
Okay. Yeah, I felt it like pushing in because he did that.
So all I did, guys, was kind of just angle the bolt. As you can tell, it's not flush with the bed. It's kind of angled, so it grabs onto a different part of the headlight. Just temporary, guys. You know, don't judge me. I'm cheap. Yeah, guys. That's it for today. I think it was a successful day. My truck didn't die. My truck didn't break. Yeah, stay tuned. Future videos. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Deuces. Perfect.